Hey yo, what up people? This is your boy Jason J Kicks, and today we are back with another video. And for today's video, guys, I want to talk about the upcoming release of the Jordan 3s A Ma Maniére, the Diffused Blue, or For the Love Jordan 3s. This shoe here that is super damn nice, super damn clean, is releasing tomorrow in Sneakers App. Finally, the shoe is releasing in Sneakers App, and that's gonna happen tomorrow, guys. But will these shoes sell? Will these shoes sit? That's about to be seen, but today I'm going to tell you my opinion about the upcoming release of these Jordan 3s right here. So let's go straight into it, guys. The shoe, like I just said, is set to release tomorrow, April 15 in Sneakers App for a retail price up to $30. And I have to be honest, that's kind of a spicy, right? Yes. Materials on these shoes, amazing. Everywhere you touch it, you're gonna feel a really premium shoe. I like that about the shoe. I love the way the shoe feels. I love the way the shoe look. But that price is a little bit spicy, you know? I still have my shoe. I'm still gonna try to double up. But it is what it is, man. The price is a little spicy. We have premium details on these shoes all over them. Like, we can see it even on the inside with the quilted design. That nice leather even on the tongue. Pretty beautiful shoe, I have to say it. It's a pretty beautiful shoe. But will these shoes sit or sell? Because that's why a lot of people are here, trying to find out how limited, how difficult will be to get these shoes tomorrow. And I have to say, there's a very good chance that you can get these shoes fairly easy. And I'm saying fairly easy because you know how it is when it comes to Nike. You know, you never can guarantee a W when it comes to them. But from what we could see on the A Ma Maniere's website release, these shoes was very easy to get. Like 5 hours after the draw opens, my size was still available, like for the full day. Even the day after, my size was still there. So when it comes to the release that is going to happen tomorrow, I think it's gonna be really similar to the one we saw on the A Ma Maniere's website because people follow trends, you know, people follow the hype. And the hype on this one seems to be not that high. Even the retail value on the shoe right now is only like $20 over the retail price of the shoe. So I'm hoping, I'm praying for these shoes to be very easy to get tomorrow in Sneakers App, guys. Please do the same with this one that you did with last year Jordan 3's A Ma Maniére. And I'm talking about not only the Jordan 3's A Ma Maniére, but also the Jordan 4s from A Ma Maniére. Both of these shoes, both of these amazing shoes from A Ma Maniére, both of them were sitting. Both of them today are going under retail. I'm talking about the Jordan 4 while you were sleeping and the Jordan 3s while you were sleeping, coming from A Ma Maniére in collaboration with Nike and Jordan brand. And yes, slept on both of these shoes, and I want you to do the same with this one because I'm a big fan of what A Ma Maniére has been doing with their collaborations, materials in all of their shoes. Amazing, really premium shoes. This one specifically is my favorite one. I love what they did with the shoe. It's really beautiful, really elegant. You can go with these shoes anywhere you want to. I think it's an amazing pair of shoes that people slept on these because the hype was not there, the resale value was not there, and that's what people want right now. People want limited shoes that goes for a lot of money on the resale market. That didn't happen with this one, and as dope as they look, people slept on these, and I want you to do the same with this one. The shoe is coming tomorrow, Sneakers App. I told you. And will these shoes sit? Will these shoes sell? I think there's a 50-50 chance that we can get the shoes tomorrow very easy on Sneakers App. And I'm talking from what we saw on the A Ma Maniere's website previous release. Will the same thing happen with this one? I hope so. I really hope so, because I was waiting for Nike to release this shoe because that's where I like to get my shoes. I told you, that's where I like to get my shoes. I'm not paying resale for these or any other shoe. I don't care if that's on the retail. I'm not buying for no reseller. I'm not buying from StockX. I'm not buying from Gold. That's me personally. That's something that I don't like to do. If you want to, go ahead and do it. But I want to make sure that my shoes are legit. And the only way we can do that is buying from a retailer, specifically Nike, all right? But you feel free to do what you want. I just want this shoe to go on sale as well. I want this shoe to be easy to get. I don't need my shoes to be sold out in order for me to feel good with my shoes. I don't need validation. I don't care if me and 100 more people have the same shoes that I have on the same time on street. I don't care. As long as I have the shoes that I want, I'm cool with that, guys. I'm cool with that. But let me know your opinion about this shoe. I think it's an amazing shoe that also on feet look fantastic. Fantastic looking shoe, really clean. You can't go wrong with this one. And if you want to make them pop even more, you can do a lace swap like I did. This shoe is very versatile. You can try a bunch of laces on this one and the shoe simply going to look amazing. But it's now time for you to share your opinion with me about the upcoming Jordan 3's Diffused Blue from A Ma Maniére. Is this a shoe that you're going to go for, or are you going to wait to see if this shoe goes on sale or not? Let me know your opinion about that in the comment section. I'm going to be trying to answer as much messages as I can like I always do. So see you in the comment section, guys. Also, leave a like for your boy. The haters are not going to do it. So if you appreciate your boy, just leave a like. That's totally free. And it's only going to take 1 second of your time to leave a like. So leave a like for your boy. And if you want to see more of my content, but outside of YouTube, make sure to follow me right here on my Instagram, Jason J Kicks. I'm always uploading videos, picture, sneaker information like shock drop, early access, all the upcoming releases. You're going to know about that first right here on my Instagram, Jason J Kicks. Thank you again for watching, guys, and till the next one. I really think it's a beautiful shoe, but that's just my opinion. Let me know about you. Goodbye.